Hey guys, this is Casey Michael, and I am doing this research project over just drugs in general. The book I had was Stormfront by Jim Butcher, and it really ties in an aspect of the use of drugs. So I figured that I would do this project over the effects that addiction and the use of drugs have on people, and maybe a benefit or two. I did that in this project, but I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it. But the topic of drugs is a very sensitive topic for many people. Many people go their day-to-day lives dealing with drugs and drug abuse, just like it's an everyday occurrence, and that's not a good thing. But many people can connect to this. People of all ages can either witness this or see and feel the problems that daily drug use can cause. The abuse of drugs ruins many lives, and many of the people lives that are ruined and many people that become addicted to drugs are around the same age as me and you. And our age group really needs to be careful of getting on these drugs because we have a bright future ahead of us and we don't need to ruin it with drugs. One of the most addictive drugs in our age group is cocaine. Cocaine, it has very many addictive chemicals in it. It leads to many overdoses and people ending up in the emergency room due to overdoses. But doctors have been able to fix cocaine to where it's like a type of medicine and it helps. It's crazy what they can do. Addiction is just bad. Like addiction to drugs is bad. It's also very scary. And if anyone notices or sees symptoms of addiction, step in and help them. Like you need to cut the addiction off before it ruins someone's life. And my activity for you is how would you help people that are addicted to drugs?